Getting certified is only solving half the problem. You still need to understand what the different types of solicitations are and how to respond to them. So that's why we created the Contracting Navigator to show you how you can respond to each one of these solicitations so that way you can win your first government contract with ease. To understand government contracting, you need to understand the different types of solicitations. They have RFPs, which is a request for proposal, which means you have to create your own proposal on your company letterhead and answer all the questions against that RFP. There are also RFIs, which is a request for information. They may just be asking information about the type of system they have, and you are the perfect person to give them that answer that they're looking for. Then they have an RFQ. This is a request for quote. A lot of time this would be an itemized solicitation. They give you a list of items that they need, and you just put your price against it and submit your quote. And lastly is one of the best ways to get a government job, and that's through sources sort notice. This is their marketing campaign, more or less. They're looking to see how many vendors there are out there to bid on this particular contract. There is your opportunity to get in contact with the contracting manager, build a relationship, and send in your response against that source of sort notice so they can know who you are. That is the best way to get any type of government contract. These come out before the actual solicitation. So when a solicitation come out, that will improve your chances of you actually getting that contract. And next, you have to learn how to respond to these source of sort notice. We have templates for you that you can use, put your information in so that way you could respond properly and use the right type of government structure so that way you answer these solicitations correctly. And lastly, using our templates, we'll show you how you can actually win a government contract by writing the best type of proposal against each type of these solicitations. My name is Anthony Richardson. I started out with a company called FireQuench over 25 years ago. Since then, I've been certified on systems like Simplex, Edwards, Software House, Kitty, and that's two, just to name a few. And in 2017, we started Securities Corp. Fast forward, we've done over $5 million installing fire alarm and security systems throughout the government sector, private, and also the commercial sectors. I'm here to show you that hard work and dedication can truly pay off. So stick with me throughout the fire alarm business blueprint so we can show you how you could actually achieve the life of freedom that you're actually looking for. So many entrepreneurs struggle with government contracting because the first thing, really, it is very, very complex. I have read a book from Joshua P. Frank. It's called The Secrets to Winning Government Contracts. I didn't even finish the book. Once I started going through the book and implementing these strategies, I fully understood what it took to actually be a government contractor. That is a book that I suggest you read in order for you to get better when it comes to government contracting. And lastly, it's hard to find government contracts. You may not know which avenue to look to actually bring solicitations towards you. So I want you to download the one-page contracting cheat sheet. I want you to stay on track so you can know how to submit these bids, what type of solicitations you need to bid to, and who you need to contact to build a relationship with. This is only step number 7 inside of the fire alarm business blueprint. You will need to take all 9 steps to fully understand how to start, operate, and grow an actual fire alarm company being taught by an actual fire alarm contractor. So if you're ready to take the next steps, click the link in my description, book a strategy call, so that way we can see where you are, how we can help you, and see if you're a good fit for the certification accelerator. I'll catch you on the other side.